If the tensioner screw cannot be turned during adjustment, replace the mounting screw. Remove the screw on the guide plate washer. Take off the guide plate washer, prepare a flathead socket wrench, and screw the M4*8 flathead screw. Remove the tension adjustment device. Thread the tension shaft into the tension pin block. Place the tension device into the housing. Tighten the flathead screw. Reattach the guide plate washer. Secure the internal hexagon cylindrical head screw.